A few days ago, colors and storage options for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro surfaced. A freshly opened X account via 9 to 5 Google has shared a 14-second promo clip of the Google Pixel 8 Pro and a new feature called Audio Magic Eraser. The clip shows the upcoming top-of-the-line Pixel in a new light blue color. The clip, coming in at 14 seconds, might have been slightly edited, and it shows how Google will be adding a new Magic Eraser feature to the Pixel 8 line. As you might know, the original Magic Eraser, which debuted on the Pixel 6 series and has since been made available to all Pixel models, some other Android handsets, and even certain iPhone units, eliminates unwanted things, including living things, from your photos. Audio Magic Eraser, like the regular photographic kind, is part of the Google Photos video editor. The idea of the Audio Magic Eraser feature is to fine-tune the audio from a recorded video by allowing the user to manipulate sliders on the screen to decrease or increase sounds characterized as noise, people, and music. Buttons for each category of sound appear when one of the three is chosen. A slider appears underneath the buttons. Drag the slider to the left to reduce the volume of the chosen sound category, or drag it to the right to increase the volume. The promo shows someone viewing a video they recorded of a girl skateboarding. On the Pixel 8 Pro, a button is pressed that says Audio Magic Eraser. The device then reads identifying sounds before the noise, people, and music buttons appear, and we see the user slide to the left to reduce the noise volume. The clip says that the Pixel 8 is the only phone with the Audio Magic Eraser, and that the Pixel line is the only phone engineered by Google. The leaked video also offers glimpses of the Pixel 8's design. The smartphone showcases prominently rounded corners, emphasizing a sleek and modern appearance. Additionally, a new blue colorway is revealed at the video's conclusion. This shade of blue is reminiscent of the Pixel 7's C option, possibly a touch darker, and it matches the recent Pixel Buds A series. The camera bar, housing all three lenses in a pill-shaped cutout, is also briefly showcased. We can expect the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro models, along with Google Pixel Watch 2, to make their debut in October, a mere 2 months away from now. So we don't have to wait long for the next Pixel lineup. So how do you like this new Audio Magic Eraser? Let us know it down below in the comments, and for more Pixel updates, check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.